If the hustle and bustle of the city is too overwhelming, you don't have to go far for some peace and quiet. Nestled into the heart of Washington wine country in Woodinville, Willow's Lodge is offering a gorgeous, serene retreat from the world outside. But that's not all. They're also home to Barking Frog, where tasty and eye-catching dishes are served with extra flair.
It's very warm and inviting.
Having the open kitchen, seeing the chefs working just adds that perfect amount of ambiance.
They care about the food on the table, they care about how they're presenting it to you, and they know what they're talking about.
What's in the ground is what tells us what goes on the menu.
Executive Chef Lyle Kaku knows that the prettiest plates contain the freshest ingredients. And with so much amazing food grown so close, he makes sure his menu puts freshness first.
We really try to hit on grown in Washington, very local, very hyper seasonal. You know, if something's got to travel halfway around the world, that means the tomatoes are ripening in the box instead of ripening on the vine.
Tastes as if it was just hand-picked yesterday.
Local, fresh, amazing, truly amazing.
Good food, good wine, and
Grown in Washington.
grown in Washington. Exactly.
That's perfect. Stay tuned for later in the show when Chef Lyle and I make a special braised duck dish.
And there's something to be said by cooking with the wine you want to drink.
Yeah,
right?
for sure.